How to change TikTok privacy settings properly. It's important to adjust your settings the right way. First, open TikTok on your iPhone or Android device and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Here you'll find all the main privacy controls for your account. You can turn on Private Account, which means only people you approve can follow you and see your content. You can also manage who can comment, message you, duet or stitch your videos, and even download your content. Scroll through each setting carefully and choose who you want to interact with your account. If you want more control, you can also disable activity status so others cannot see when you are online. Once you change these settings, TikTok saves everything automatically, no extra steps needed. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your TikTok privacy settings and made your account more secure. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok privacy tips and how-to guides.